So turn station withdrawal is open. So you can now withdraw to your different exchange. So for you to get started, just come to your account, your turn station account. So you click on Airdrop. So from your Airdrop section, you're going to see your Airdrop allocation. Then there are different options here. You can see donation, then below it there are 3 different exchange, and for this withdrawal you just have 3 days left. So you can withdraw to Bitget, Get.io, MEXC. So of all the 4 different options that are here, personally I will advise you to withdraw to MEXC because the listing price on MEXC is always favorable. On a more serious note, always favorable. Then Get.io is okay, but for now I prefer we use MEXC. So in this video I'm going to be explaining for these 3, Get.io and MEXC. So let's get started. For you to withdraw, just click on deposit. It said, do you have an account? Yes. So here we are going to copy our UID, soon address, then memo. So first thing we need to do is to come to this our MEXC. So here you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, then you click on deposit crypto. So from here we are going to search at the top. We're going to type in soon. You can see the logo here. So this is our address, then our tag. So we're going to copy, let's copy the first one. Then we paste. Then we copy our please make sure you don't make any form of mistake. Then we copy our UID. So go to the home page. So for you to copy, you come here. Then this is our UID. So when you are done, you click on what? Send. Bam. Now let's try for Get.io. It's still the same process, the same procedure. The same procedure you use for Get.io is the same procedure you use for, it's similar. So if you know how to use it for one, then you are good to go for the second one. The same thing, so we are going to copy UID, soon address, then memo. The same procedure I followed is the same procedure. Then Bitget. So still the same procedure, just that on Bitget, it's just the UID and deposit address. You get it. So Bitget account, you come here, you copy your UID. So this is your UID here. Then you come to add fund. You click on add fund, deposit crypto. Then you search for soon. And what you are using is Bitget exchange, not wallet. Bitget exchange, not wallet. So this is turn station. You select turn station. Then you copy your wallet address. That's all. Then you go there and paste both the UID and the wallet address. Then you click on send. So do what you like. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. More importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. See you next time for more exciting.